Today I want to test the shopping list automation in Home Assistant. I used it a while back, but it didn't work so well. It had some slight delays. So let's see if something changed in between. First, let's do the setup in Home Assistant, and then let's go shopping. If you don't already have the shopping list integration configured in Home Assistant, let's go to Settings, Devices and Services, and click Add Integration. In the search bar, type Shopping List, and follow the configuration steps. In my case, it is already installed, so I can find it directly under Devices and Services, and it should look something like this. Next, we need to create a zone for the supermarket. Go to Settings, then Areas, Labels and Zones, and from the top menu, choose Zones. Now, find your supermarket on the map and create a new zone. Give it a name. I recommend using the supermarket name, for example Lidl. Then adjust the size of the zone. I usually make it a little bit bigger so the automation triggers before I'm already inside the store. Now in the left sidebar you should see the to-do shopping list. Open it and simply add the products you want to buy. For example, I added a few items here. Now the automation itself is very simple. The trigger is when my iPhone enters the zone we created, in my case Lidl, then we add one important condition. The shopping list value must be above 0. Here is what that means. When there are no items in the shopping list, the value is 0. In my case, I added 6 items, so the shopping list value is 6. This condition is useful because if the shopping list is empty and I just pass near the supermarket, the automation will not trigger for no reason. Then the action, we send a notification to my phone. But if we leave this as it is, it only sends a basic notification. I also want the notification to open the shopping list when I tap it. So in the notification message, write something like this. The message you arrived at Lidl, tap here to open your shopping list, something like that, and then scroll down into the data section and add this URL. I will also leave this in the description so you can copy it. What this does is simple. When I tap the notification, Home Assistant opens directly to my shopping list. And that's it. Now let's go shopping and test the automation. As you can see, I arrived at Lidl, and once I park my car, I already received my notification. And if I click on the notification, it will take me to Home Assistant and it will display my shopping list. You have a checkbox there. As soon as you buy one product, just tick that checkbox and you will remove the item from the list. What's great about this app is that your wife can use it as well. So if she's at work and you go shopping, she can always add some products and you will see them as you go shopping. This is a great tool. If you use Home Assistant, you could give it a try. Or if you tried it, let me know in the comments how did it work for you. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, subscribe, comment, tell me your experience with this app or what else you use Home Assistant for. Thank you and I'll see you in the next one.